Alright, it was time to test the sprinkler system, and turned it on, and there was a big leak coming from this section of this poly type material that's used for the hose. I think that's what I've read. This is an older style of way they did sprinklers, probably in the 90s, where they did it. So anyway, I took, and there's quite a bit of a hole there, so I just cut it out, and using a pair of just regular garden shears, this works real good. You just cut there and you can cut the section off. So I cut that out, and then went to Lowe's and bought this. What this is, a coupling that has it's got just a kind of a sleeve inside there that pushes up against one side of the hose, and then you push this end in, and they couple together, and you will have a pretty good fit, and it works. So there it is, put together and pretty snug. And now all we gotta do is turn the water on. All right, we turn the water on, and sprinkler's there, and not leaking. So this is a pretty easy repair.